welcome again to my channel. Today I'm having a very special video for you guys because this one is in English, as you might already noticed. Normally we always record in Dutch, but because the brand we will work with in this video is a brand you can buy in a lot of different countries, so it would be great that everyone can understand what I'm saying, not only the people from Belgium and the Netherlands, but also people from other countries. The brand that I will be talking about is this one, obviously. It's called Lifetrons, and more specifically I will talk about their beauty section because they have a lot of beauty products and beauty devices that I would like to show you guys how they work. I would like to show you this one. I'm going to show it to you guys, the package. It looks really beautiful. This one is the Ultra Cleanser. And more specifically, it removes your makeup in a really good way, and it also has some other features, and I'm going to show you guys how it works later on this video. And the second device is this one, also a beautiful package. I love the white, by the way. And this one, I'm holding it wrong, this one is the Eye Rejuvenator. It's also a very special device. I read about it a lot and I'm very curious to show you guys how it works. It should help with wrinkles underneath your eyes and also for the wrinkles around your mouth area. You can buy Lifetrons, by the way, on their shop, and you can also buy it in airport shops. Their award-winning products can also be found in 130 airlines all over the world, also in select duty-free shops and in Lifetrons' own retail shops, of course. I'm now in the bathroom and I'm going to show you guys how to use these devices. And this one is, as I've already said, to cleanse the makeup of your skin in a better way than you can do with a cotton. So I'm going to try this one out, and first of all I'm going to do my hair in a way that I can cleanse my face properly. Okay, so I've done my hair like this. I'm going to do one side of the face with the device and the other side I'm going to clean myself to show you guys the difference. So I have some cottons over here and I'm going to remove all the makeup of my face, and I'm going to show you guys that it's definitely makeup on my face, that it's not like fake or something. So I'm going to make it a little wet at this side. This side is the one where I will be testing the regular way. This is my cleansing gel. I'm going to put it on my face like this. May look a little weird, but it doesn't matter. And I'm going to remove it now with a cotton. But me without makeup. Yeah, my skin looks really red. It always does when I remove things, but it's just normal. Okay, so as you guys can see, there is a lot of makeup on my face. I'm going to remove it some more. Yay, I have a red face. Okay, as you guys can see, a lot of makeup. Maybe I'm going to remove it a little more with some water to make it completely gone. Okay, so as you guys can see, when I remove the makeup and I use some water afterwards, there's still a lot of makeup attached to my skin. It's very difficult to cleanse it like this, and the skin pores, there will still be some makeup in it, and yeah, that's not good for your skin. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my face, but with the device. It's very important to make it a little wet. It feels also a little better. And then I use the face wash, the cleansing gel or the cleansing water, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm going to do it like this. Okay, now I'm taking my Lifetron Ultra Cleanser. So here you can also charge your device with a USB charger. I charge it in my computer. I think that's the best way for me to do it. And here you can see like a very soft spot of the device. And with this one, you turn it on. It will make a vibrating sound. You can put it harder or softer with the minus and the plus button. And when you want to turn it off, you just need to push to the button in the middle a little longer, and the device will turn itself off. You guys can also adjust the intensity levels with the minus and the plus button, but I'm going to start using it like this. So you just move it over your skin like this. It gives a really nice vibrating feeling. Try to get every spot on my skin. You can see that the cleansing product already starts to disappear. I really love this one. It's like a massage button. Okay, not only will this device clean your skin, you also have two other options. The first one is the positive ion technology with this side of the device. Okay, so you turn on the device with the turn on button. To activate the positive ion mode, you just push the plus button and the color of the device will turn red. Then you use it for 3 minutes. Both of your hands need to be in touch with these two. Those are the conductive pole side strips. You have to massage and hold it for 3 minutes against your skin. It will clean the pores from other dirt. It's like an extra thing on the device. I really love it. And then of course you also have the negative ion massage. So you just have to push the activation button on the device and then you choose the minus button. When you do this, I will do it for you. So the negative button, it will turn to light blue. And the best way to use this one is when you apply some moisturizing cream on your skin. So I'm going to apply some moisturizing cream to my skin so it's still wet. And then I use this device. And it's basically the same as always. You just push it to the skin. Make sure your hands are on both of the two sides of the device. The negative ion massage helps to deliver nutrients from the face cream or the serum deep into the skin layers. So now we are going to test the Eye Rejuvenator. I'm really curious about the results. So here is the on and off button, and you have two sides on this device and also two conductive pole strips. For this device I am going to use this cream. It's the Mystery Beauty Firming Cream. This one is a really good one because it's specially designed for this device. Look how creamy this one looks. I really love it. And I'm going to use this device for about 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to show you how it looks right now. And I'm also going to show you guys how it looks after I've used it 3 weeks. This one is a special radio frequency gel, and this also gives the best results. You can also buy it on their website. You can of course also use another eye cream, but this one is really the best one. I'm going to show you guys the package. It looks like this and it gives the best results. And I'm going to start with applying the cream under my eyes. I'm going to start with the radio frequency treatment on my skin. So what I'm gonna do first, of course, is press the power button. This one gonna make a sound, and you're gonna see on the device, you are going to see this on the screen. This one is the intensity level, and this one is turned to low. That is always how you start. And then I'm going to open this side of the device, and this is the massage head for the radiotherapy. And you always need to, of course, touch the two sides of the ion poles. And you just start massaging this one under your eyes. After 15 minutes, you just do this side of your face. The second thing you can do is with this side of the device. It's also really good for your skin. It's a sonic vibration combined with thermotherapy. So you just turn on the device and you go like this You need to keep it like this for like 15 minutes. It's best to take a long time doing this. And of course you also have to do the other side. What I would also like to tell you guys is that this device has a long-lasting battery and it's rechargeable also via USB. So that is also very handy. And I would like to come back to you in 2 to 3 weeks to show you the results. Bye! Okay guys, so I've been using the Eye Rejuvenator now for 2 weeks and I'm really happy with the results. As you guys can see, my eyes look a lot better. I also have a 10% discount code for you guys. It's Gen10 and you can use it for 10% off all orders on their website. I will link both of the products from Lifetrons under this video, so guys, go and check it out because it's really something you have to try. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!